Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today's video is on Vee Nailed It's new practice hand. The website is VeedaBella.com, and that's where you can purchase them. I'll leave the link in the description box and things like that. But yeah, so I actually got this box like a week ago, but you guys know it's been a little busy. Disneyland, all that stuff, and then my birthday was technically it's yesterday, June 2nd. Yeah, I'm just super excited to bring this video to you guys. So let's go ahead and start unboxing. All I did was just opened up the packaging, so that way it didn't show my address and stuff like that. So yeah, here is her little thank you card, and it has the social media stuff for the Veeda Bella company. That's so cute. Oh, and it has your prep and care instructions. She also has videos and things on that website to show you how to prep and everything. I mean, it basically gives you everything, I think, with the exception of like the nail glue. But yeah, so here's that, and then here's a little note. It's so cute. I actually think this is the receipt too. It is, see, and I love that too, because I'm always so nervous opening boxes and the first thing that pops out is the receipt, and it has my address on it, and then I have to like edit the video, and then it's not even like real time. Yeah, so thank you for that, Vee, because she probably does know. Alright, I'm gonna move the box and everything out of the way. So this is so cute. I love this. That is on there tight. So I'm actually thinking about doing a giveaway, you guys. For detailed instructional videos, please visit us. And then there's her website. Like I said, I'll have it linked. I'm actually thinking about doing a giveaway, you guys, because I went ahead and bought the whole kit, and I'm pretty sure it comes with a practice finger. And I have had a practice finger, but I really don't use it. I have a lot of hands and stuff, so I want to give away, I think, the practice finger and a couple of the nail tips and stuff. So here is the little baggie. Oh my gosh, this feels so nice. Are you guys ready? So I believe I got number 4. Y'all, by the time I got on that website, everything was like basically sold out. I'm not even mad about it though. I did want to purchase her True Tone hand, because that's like the one that's the closest tone to like hers. Also, this hand is a replica of her hand. So but yeah, so she has, I want to say, like 6 different skin tones on there, as well as her True Tone one. And this was the, I went through, I really wanted the True Tone, and then I went to like 2 and 3, and then those were sold out. So 4 was the one, and I was like, heck yeah. So I don't have on this tone, and I'm loving it. So it's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's Vee's hand. This is so cool. All right. Then I think this is like some jewelry. I hope y'all are as excited as I am. Even though I have had some practice hands in the past, but it's nothing like a Veeda Bella practice hand, I don't think. Look at these rings, they're so cute. And they're different. I love this. Look, I might have to wear this ring myself. And then here are her full cover coffin tips. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of prep this hand on camera as well, so you guys can get, you know, my interpretation of watching her videos, because before I even received my hand, I was watching the videos on her website. So yeah, there's a lot of tips in there. You can probably use these for other things as well, but. And then her little tape. Her packaging is so cute. Oh my goodness. This is the finger. Yay! Yes, so I will be giving away this finger. If anything, if I can't think of something while I'm doing this video or editing this video, I would leave the giveaway rules in the description box. I also always love to just add in extra stuff. So here's the primer, and it's got the directions. But yeah, so I will leave that stuff because I definitely do want to. I'm not gonna be able to give you guys primer, but you also don't have to glue your nail tips to the hand. I actually stopped doing that with my red iguana ones. It does make it a little harder, like when I go to file and stuff, but I wasn't using my practice hand as much, but I'm definitely gonna be using this one. So this is probably gonna be my go-to practice hand for YouTube. But yeah, so here's the primer. And then that is all that I have in my box. So I think the only thing I can really put in there is this bag. Let me get this situated and I'll be ready to show you guys how to prep. All right, so I'm gonna take 2 paper towels. Just gonna put it over my tape. All right, so I went ahead and grabbed the prep care instructions out of the box, and I'm gonna just go ahead and set it to the side here and just kind of follow, you know, along. I haven't done that, I don't think, on camera. Any of my other practice hand preps, I think I was too nervous to talk. So I just like put text boxes in there. But yeah, so it just says we need to size the nail tip properly to the nail bed. And I do know that when she puts the nails in, she actually, so like this would be the free edge, right? And then this is like back towards the cuticle. So she actually puts them in this way so that it already kind of has that curved nail, like as if it would be like a natural nail. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try to size these. Yeah, she said that the tips should fit perfectly. So that's for the pinky, and then she said just to remove it, and then because we're gonna need to put the primer and stuff on. Sorry about that, you guys. I changed some settings on my phone and it like wants to do its own thing now, so I need to remember what I did. Oh, that's way too big. That's one thing I learned also in the Not Polish nail class is for these 3 fingers, like if you can, you know, try to have them all the same size number, just so that way they look more uniform. I've tried it and sometimes it works and then sometimes it doesn't. It really just depends. Oh, I put that in backwards. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. All right, so then the next step, it says to apply practice hand primer to the silicone nail bed. It said it should only be used on a practice hand, not for human use. Let it dry for 5 seconds. So I'm just gonna apply some in there. So don't use this on humans, only use it on your practice hand. You guys, my nails are looking kind of crazy. I'm rocking my little Jasmine, but these 2 nails were lifting because I got a new toilet, and it's the one where you push it down. Yeah, I was using my nails as my tools. So anyways, I need them short because I need to edit videos, and I've learned that it's hard to edit them with long nails. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and she says to apply 1 drop of glue to the nail bed, right? Nope, to the nail tip. So I'm gonna do that. 1 drop. So I'm just inserting that into the cuticle pocket. It says that the number on the nail tip should be inside the pocket. And then to press and hold the nail bed for 15 seconds. And then it says it should be adhered, and it's gonna be like the natural nail of the practice hand. All right, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to all 3 fingers, and then we will move on to the next step. All right, you guys, switching over to voiceover mode, we're gonna go ahead and finish out the rest of these steps. So I'm just taking, I think she calls it easy tape. And you guys, I'm sorry because it's been like 2 days since I first recorded it, and I went back on her website, and there's just so much more information on there. Like she lets you know like the actual sizes of the nail tips that you need to put on there for your nail bed, for your natural nail, and for your working nail. So I'll go ahead and leave that in text boxes on the side, just so that way you guys can see like a quick photo of what I had just screenshotted from the website. But we're just gonna go ahead and place this easy tape on your AKA nail bed, and then I found it's easier to use some tweezers to pull that little piece off. And then you're gonna take your next nail, which is gonna act as like your natural nail kind of, and then you glue a nail tip to that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick out all my sizes, and I'll go ahead and leave the screenshot up here on the video for you guys. So I actually used to use this method. I didn't use like the same exact tips that she uses and things like that, but she does have the membership option on her channel, and I'll have you know, I'm sure you guys guessed it, but I was her very first member on her channel, and I'm actually gonna leave my receipt, aka screenshot, where she had said it, that I was officially her first member. But on her member channel, she does do like exclusive videos and stuff like that, and she had actually did a whole video on how she preps her practice hand. This was way before, I think she'd been planning these practice hands for at least a year, but this was like way before she was even doing that. But let me tell you guys, this hand is literally the bomb. I like the size of the hand because it is smaller than like my red iguana ones or any other ones that I have, purchased off of Amazon and stuff like that. But it's like the perfect freaking hand. I'm not even kidding. When it comes to the nail tips that we put in there, putting on, these nail tips. It was just so easy to do all of these things. I don't know what it is. Maybe I could be biased because y'all know I love her to death. She's my mentor. But yeah, I highly recommend this hand. Don't buy anybody else's hand. Go buy Vee's hand. And I'm pretty sure in the future so right now she only has like left hands, but I'm pretty sure in the future she is going to offer right hands, and I'm sure she's going to do a lot of fun stuff. But yeah, so this is the process, you guys. Don't forget to leave your comment for the giveaway, because I am going to be giving away that finger. I also forgot to let you guys know, I forgot the keychain. She threw in a keychain for me. Thank you so much, Vee. And I actually seen it at the beginning of this video. It was still in that box, but yeah, so isn't that so cute? I'm definitely keeping that one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely love this hand. You should go get you one. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.